What's up guys, and welcome back to our monthly build video. The RC Rock Bouncer budget build part 4 already. Ain't gonna be a long video because the links we ordered last time still did not come in. Still expect them to come in this week or next week or so no worries there yet. The pinion gears and plastic transmission on the other hand did come in. The pinion gears came in on the 14th and the plastic transmission came in on the 17th of December. So let's go ahead and take a look at them. These are the pinion gears, 32 pitch, 16 to 20 here. Nothing special, just ordinary pinion gears. So let's carry on with the plastic transmission. I only ordered this one for the cover because there wasn't one on the metal transmission. I already swapped them out and got lucky because it fit for 99%. Only this screw hole didn't align properly, but with a little persuasion it fitted. All the parts I use for the build are based on the SCX10, so in theory they should all fit. Let me give you a closer look. It's a real nice fit all around. So don't get any dirt in there. Real nice. There was only one issue. The transmission wouldn't turn anymore. It turned out the original spur gear was just a tad too big for the cover. So I also took the spur gear from the plastic transmission and fitted it onto here. And now it all fits snug and it turns smooth. Perfect. Oh, and by the way, one more thing. In the last video we took the transmission apart and greased it up, but when I put it back together again I forgot to use some Loctite on the screws. So I went back in and put some Loctite on all of the screws. So that's that. Shame the links didn't come in on time. I was really curious to see how they fit, what the measurements were. Oh well, we'll get to that when they come in. So let us just continue as usual and order our next parts, the axles. Did my research on AliExpress, also for the axles, because there are quite a few that all look the same but have small differences, and ultimately decided to go for these. Because if it is all as described here, these should have helical ring and pinion gears. How sweet is that? That looks real nice. So it's going to be two of those front axles because we are going for a four-wheel steer. So front, two. I want to order both at the same time because it's already a slow process and we are going over budget this month, but that's okay because as it turns out Santa is an off-road enthusiast and really wanted to help us make this bouncer a reality and chipped in for this month, so thanks Santa. So we will be ordering these now and keeping our fingers crossed for an on-time delivery this time because I can't wait to see these. Well, that's it for this month guys. Keep an eye out for the second side project, the painting, coming up anytime soon. I don't know exactly when, but you'll see. Subscribe so you won't miss a thing. I had a lot of fun doing the first side project, the making of the side panels and the bottom plates. They turned out really nice, if I may say so myself. Quick look at that. A bit on the dark side here, but check out the other video to see it in a better light. To check out that video and other build videos you can click here. Or to see a nice running video of the WL Toys 10428A, click here. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, and if you like to see how this whole project turns out, don't forget to subscribe and by clicking on my profile picture. Well, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you next time.